Welcome to Honeywell. Thank you for choosing Smart Home Security to help you monitor your home. When installing a sensor after you've mounted or placed it in your home, you have the option to test it out. Then walk over to your sensor and check if you've received a notification that motion has been detected. If the system is working, you'll see the glowing red LED light on the sensor. Your camera base station will chime, and you'll see a success message appear. However, if nothing happens, you can select Get Help to troubleshoot your system. If you'd like to test your sensor after installation, go to the Settings menu on the Security page. Scroll down and select your sensor. Then choose Signal Strength and Test. It feels good to be home.